Picture Tenochtitlan, the Aztec city built on a lake, now Mexico City, where floating gardens or chinampas turned water into a living paradise. Canals teemed with life, birdsong filled the air, and colorful boats glided through a world where nature and ingenuity thrived together. In these waters, the Aztecs revered a mysterious creature, the axolotl, believed to be the god Xochimilco in disguise. The axolotl, or water dog, became a living link to ancient myth, thriving in the unique ecosystem of Xochimilco's canals. Today, the city has changed, but the last remnants of these watery gardens still whisper of that lost world. In the murky water, life persists. If you look closely, you might glimpse the axolotl, a living relic swimming through history. Descending into this submerged world is like stepping back in time, where sunlight dances on the canal bed and the axolotl hides among tangled roots. Perfectly adapted to this tranquil, low-light environment, the axolotl is a true jewel of the natural world. From the shadows, a shape appears. Not quite fish, not quite lizard. This is the axolotl. Broad head, lidless eyes, and a mouth set in a gentle, enigmatic smile. Its feathery gills fan out like pink coral, absorbing oxygen as it glides through the water. Translucent skin reveals a ghostly outline of its inner workings. The axolotl moves with slow grace, often motionless, waiting for prey. Its small limbs allow it to walk or swim, making it a master of its watery home. Despite its gentle look, it's a skilled predator. Worms, insects, and tiny fish vanish in a sudden gulp. The axolotl's hunting is swift, a quiet hunter in the ancient canals. In every movement, it embodies the strange beauty of its lost world. The axolotl's greatest secret is its eternal youth, a phenomenon called neoteny. Unlike other salamanders, it never undergoes metamorphosis, remaining in its juvenile aquatic form for life. It keeps its gills, finned tail, and underwater lifestyle, even as it grows and reproduces. This evolutionary strategy let it thrive in the stable waters of Xochimilco, never needing to risk life on land. Scientists are fascinated. The axolotl's body simply doesn't produce the hormones that trigger transformation. Forced metamorphosis is possible in labs, but it's stressful and shortens its life. Eternal youth isn't a flaw, it's a brilliant adaptation to a world where water was always abundant. The axolotl is nature's Peter Pan, perfectly suited to its ancient home. Beyond its youthful form, the axolotl is a master of regeneration. Lose a limb, it regrows bone, muscle, nerves, and skin perfectly. It can even repair its spinal cord, brain, and heart, defying what's possible for most animals. This power comes from its stem cells, which revert and rebuild lost parts with astonishing precision. Scientists study the axolotl's regeneration, hoping to unlock secrets that could revolutionize medicine. Imagine regrowing limbs, healing spinal injuries, or repairing hearts. Possibilities inspired by this small amphibian. The axolotl's abilities are a living blueprint for healing. In labs, it's become a symbol of hope for future medical breakthroughs. Its smile hides a power that could change human lives. The axolotl is not just a marvel, it's a promise. In research labs, rows of tanks house axolotls, ambassadors for their species and keys to scientific discovery. Their translucent skin lets scientists observe regeneration and organ development in real time. These captive populations are vital, preserving genetic diversity as wild numbers dwindle. Researchers sequence the axolotl's massive genome, tag cells with fluorescent proteins, and map the choreography of regeneration. Studying their immune response and cancer resistance could lead to breakthroughs in human health. Each axolotl in the lab is a living library of biological wonders. Their survival in captivity is a lifeline for the species and a wellspring of knowledge. The axolotl teaches us about healing, resilience, and the mysteries of life itself. Yet, the axolotl's wild home is in crisis. Xochimilco's canals, once a sanctuary, are now polluted and overrun by invasive species. Urban sprawl, toxic runoff, and introduced fish like carp and tilapia have devastated the ecosystem. These predators eat axolotl eggs and young, while pollution suffocates the survivors. Once thousands thrived here, now finding a single wild axolotl is rare. The water dog, once a god, is now a ghost in its own home. Its decline is a stark warning, a jewel of biodiversity slipping away. The silence in the canals is a tragic testament to what's been lost. The axolotl's ancient smile is fading, a memory in the murky water. But hope remains. Scientists, farmers, and communities are fighting to save the axolotl. They restore canals, filter water, and build barriers to protect against invasive fish. Captive breeding programs safeguard genetic diversity, preparing for reintroduction. Public campaigns turn the axolotl into a symbol of local pride and conservation. Saving the axolotl means saving a piece of natural and cultural heritage. Its survival depends on our choices, on caring, acting, and restoring balance. The axolotl's eternal smile challenges us. Protect the wonders of our world before they vanish forever.